Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can manage the brand assets for your editing in CapCut app. So here I've already opened my my CapCut apps, and to go to the brand assets, you can go to your space first. So click on this space button, and this is my CapCut space, and here you can see this is the brand kit or brand assets. So I'm going to click on this, and here are some of my brand kit. And if you want to manage, for example, you want to add your brand phones, brand music, backgrounds, you can just do this in here. For example, if you want to add your brand videos, just click on this button, click on plus and select the videos. For example, here I'm going to add this and click on add, and it will be added to your brand assets. You can also do the same for others option. And if you want to delete one of your brand assets, you can just click on the one that you want to delete, click on the three dots icon under it and click on delete and delete again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.